Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today I'm going to be reacting to B.I. Waterfall performance film. This was heavily requested in my previous video I did of B.I. So I hope you guys are excited to see, because I'm excited to react to it. So let's jump right into the video. Okay. Oh.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 Jane, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 Pain, 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은
Oh, do we got English captions? Okay, let's go back to the beginning. This was sounding good, y'all. He look good as always.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 Jane, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 Pain, 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain, 인생은 새로운 끝이 없는 거네. 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하는 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서 비가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 네 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
Hey, he be clean that choreo.
하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
Yes. No. Oh, I thought it was over. I was about to get that. That boy is talking.
치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 고맹맹이 비어 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포. That's me.
Y'all might have gotten me stuck on somebody. Add it to the playlist. Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, y'all, that was real simple and to the point. That was perfect. That's added to the playlist, y'all. Oh my God, he was killing the dancing. Y'all heard this man? Y'all heard the production? Y'all heard all of this? Like, y'all, for real. B.I. It's B.I. Y'all drop down below what else y'all want to see. Give me some more stuff to react to, because baby, B.I. is that guy. Yeah. But I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and my Twitter. Is going to be down below in the link in the description box. So catch you guys later.